In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Skater Boy by Avril Lavigne off of her album, Let Go. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Avril Lavigne was your favorite alt rock artist of the 2000s, and let's dive in. This song's gonna be in standard tuning. Let's take a look at the intro riff. So in the intro riff, we have a rhythm guitar that's just playing power chords. Sounds like this. Okay, so that's just 5th fret, 5th string power chord, then 5th fret, 6th string power chord, 7th fret, 6th string, 6th fret, 5th fret, and repeat. Straight 8th notes with the right hand. And the lead guitar is playing these octave swipes. So we're at the 7th fret, 5th string. That includes 9th fret of the 3rd string. Okay, so that octave swipe. We slide up to 9 and right back down to 7. Do that 3 times. And then on the 4th time, we slide up and down again and then come down to the 5th fret of the 5th string, octave swipe. So all together. And then we kick into the verse. The rhythm guitar in the verse is just going to be playing palm muted power chords now. Okay, straight 8th notes with the right hand again. The pattern is 5th fret, 5th string power chord, then 5th fret, 6th string, 7th fret, 6th fret, 5th fret, 5th string, 5th fret, 6th string, 7th fret, and then up to 8th fret. The lead guitar in this section will be playing this. So it'll be playing the same root note as the rhythm guitar, but then every 3rd hit, it'll hit the octave. So what that means is we're on 5th fret, 5th string. We hit that twice. Then we hit 7th fret, 3rd string. That's the octave of the 5th fret, 5th string. So we go. And then on to the next chord. So then on to 6th string, 5th fret, same concept. Okay, so 2 hits in the octave, 3 hits and then the octave. And then on to the next chord, which is 7th fret, 6th string, and then down to 6th fret. Okay, so all together. Following the exact pattern as the rhythm guitar, the 3rd time through there, you'll hear this. Okay, so that's, you hear that little run. So it's 5, 7, 9 on the 5th string, back down to 5, and then right back into that pattern. Okay, so it's just that little run, back into that octave pattern. And here we kick into the chorus. Now the rhythm guitar will be playing the chorus on a lower register, so it'll play down here, these power chords. Okay, so those chords, 1st fret, 6th string, power chord. I just use a 2-finger power chord here. Then 3rd fret, 5th string. 1st fret, 5th string. And then open 5th string. Straight 8th notes with the right hand. Okay, and while the rhythm guitar is doing that, the lead guitar will be up here, playing power chords as well, but in a higher register. So we're at 8th fret, 5th string. I use a 3-finger power chord here. So it's 8th fret, 5th string, 8th fret, 6th string, 6th fret, 6th string, 5th fret, 6th string. Okay, and then the very last chord of the chorus, we let ring out. Rhythm guitar, 1st fret, 5th string. For the lead, you can play 6th fret, 6th string. Okay, and then it'll just ring out. And then we'll enter the 2nd verse. Now in the 2nd verse, the rhythm guitar will be the same as it was in the 1st verse. The lead part's different. So the lead is going to be playing this. Okay, so it's just going to be playing these kind of accent notes down here. We're on the 11th fret of the 3rd string, up to 14 and back to 11. Then we move over a string. 4th string now. Same 11, 14, 11. So we have. Then we do 12 on the 4th string, 11 on the 3rd, back to 12 on the 4th. So all together. Then we hit 12 on the 4th, just 8th notes palm muted. 8 times, and then repeat. Now this time, instead of going 12, 11, 12, what we'll do is we'll come up here to the 7th fret. We'll use the 2nd and 3rd strings. We'll play harmonics. Okay? And then we're on 8th fret, 6th string here. We pick and slide, power chord, pick and slide. And then we repeat the pattern. So then we just repeat it. Now at this point, what we do is we come down here and we're going to finger a C major chord. And then how we're going to play this is we're going to play 2nd string, and we put the pinky on the 3rd fret of the 1st string, lift the pinky off, open 1st string, and then just arpeggiate down. So 2nd string, 3rd string, 4th string, 5th string. So it sounds like. So let's go through that whole second verse lead part. I'll play it slow. Come down to the C chord. And then we're into the second chorus. It's the same as the first. The only difference is we play it twice through. Don't forget the leads up here. Okay, and then going into this interlude, we have, so that's just the rhythm that you'll hear going into the interlude. To start this interlude section, the rhythm guitar will be playing the same chords that it plays in the chorus. So the chord structure is up here. Okay, so that's, again, same chord structure, 1st fret, 6th string, then 3rd fret, 5th string, 1st fret, 5th string, then it jumps up to 4th fret, 5th string, and then repeats. So we hit this 3 times, then open strings, and then it repeats the chord structure. So twice here, and then to open 5th string. And the lead part in that section is like the intro. It's just jumping from 10th to 12th fret instead of 7 to 9. So we're up here. Okay, and then the third time, it will join up with the rhythm guitar. Okay, so the rhythm guitar will be here. You can play it up here on the 9th fret of the 6th string with the lead, and then it repeats. Okay, down to 5th fret, 6th string. And now we're officially into the bridge section. So in this bridge section, we have this arpeggiating guitar that's just playing one note at a time. It's got this weird tremolo kind of flanger effect on it as well. But what you're going to do is you're going to play this. I'm going to play it slow. So those are the notes that we're going to play. Let's break that down. We're on 7th fret, 3rd string, then 6th fret, 2nd string, 5th fret, 2nd string, 6th fret, 2nd string, and then 5th fret, 1st string, then 6, 5, 6 again on the 2nd string. So that little part there is. Okay, and then we're going to play almost the exact same pattern, but instead of the 7th fret on the 3rd string, we're going to play the 5th fret on the 3rd string. So now I have my index finger barring those first 3 strings. So we have 5 on the 3rd, 6, 5, 6 on the 2nd, 5 on the 1st, 6, 5, 6 on the 2nd. So that part. So far we have this. Okay, and then the next part here. So that's 5, 6, 5, 6 on the second, then up to 8 on the second, 6, 5, 6. So then we come down to 3 on the third string, 6, 5, 6 again on the second, then down to second fret, third string, 5, 3, 2 on the second string. And that part will repeat twice. So let's play it once in full. So all together, one time here. Coming out of the bridge, you'll hear a soft palm muted guitar. And it's just going to be playing the versed chords here. It'll ring out that 8th fret 6th string chord. And then we enter into the last chorus. Was Let Go one of the best alt-rock albums of the 2000s? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.